Hi Bookie. So I know I look absolutely crazy, but that's what you're here for, you know? Because today I'll be showing you guys how I do my ball cap method, and the glue I'll be using is from my own lace products collection coming very soon. Very soon. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this bald little Bill's little sister, then keep on watching. The glue I'm using today is from my own lace product collection. I'm going to be using this So Clingy lace adhesive. Ooh, it's about to be tea. And I also ensure that I'm always using an HT ball cap. You can get by using the regular ball caps, but something about the HT cap just makes the wig melt and give scalp even more.
She wasn't on a run, she was on a runner. She the dark skin girls with the light skin crew. Can't reach to you. She the light skin girl with the light skin crew. Can't know the three house to say. This bitch knows that crazy love. She gets down just like crazy love. Round the block, she's not on the shots. That bitch bad. Blow, magic is away. Every time, with that, and every new word, she is away. That is how it goes. That is how it goes. So we got she is away. If this what she wanna be, she can have it away, no.
And then I just cut the part that's glued down. Do my little ear tab section. Then you can either put it on top of your head like so, or you can just cut it and just tighten it back. It really depends on what your preference is. Whatever I feel like doing that day, that's what I decide to do. And then you can gently pull back the cap a little bit so it's uniform for when you're about to cut the excess off. Just gently pull it back for how much I plan to cut.
No, you're kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. If you are you lonely. If you are you lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out do you?
always want to protect your edges. Go on my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in level 13, and I typically use the darker side of the cream foundation. I take my e.l.f. makeup brush and I just go in and get real bold. So technically level 13 is my skin tone. So with the ball cap, you want to go for your skin tone. But for my like actual lace, I use either a shade darker for HD lace or 2 shades darker if it's thicker transparent. So it's really up to you. It's gonna take some trial and error to figure out your shade, because trust and believe, it took me some trial and error to figure out what was my exact shade, what blends the best. And powder foundation is always a no-go, because powder foundation can really cause cakiness, but you also run some risk with the cream foundation as it is an oil based. So just use a very subtle amount if you want to use a cream foundation. So that is the ball cap, bookies. We are bald little Bill, ain't got nothing on me. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned because I will be doing the wig install after this video. Mwah.